creating an engaging session is not rocket science. Hat tip to the rocket scientists out there. But seriously, if you want people to be engaged in your session, then you need to be engaging. And for me, that really just comes down to three things, three S's actually. So the first S is shape. How do you shape your ideas? So instead of just sharing the principle or sharing the idea that you want people to really grasp and remember, how do you shape it up in a way that's stickable and it grabs people's attention? So thinking about how you shape up your ideas as models or metaphors or stories that really grabs people's attentions. That's the first S. The second S I think we need to consider is structure. How do we structure the session so that people can contribute to the conversation and not just consume it? That's a great line that Tad Littlefield says a lot. Design your sessions for contribution, not just consumption. And for me, that's about using the 30-30-30 rule. So for me, if I'm talking more than 30% of the time, I'm probably talking too much. So 30% me, 30% participants doing something amongst themselves. So either individual reflection, peer sharing, small groups discussions, working through a template, something that they are facilitating on their own. And 30% participants sharing back into the room with the whole group that I might be facilitating that conversation. 30-30-30. I also think about the structure in terms of changing pace and changing state. So looking for every 7 to 10 minutes max, making sure participants are doing something different. So that might be turn to your neighbour, stand up if, move to this side of the room, going from sharing to asking, whatever that might be. But there's a pace change or a state change every 7 to 10 minutes. The last thing that I think we need to be mindful of when we're trying to create engaging sessions is share. How do we share our message? What presence do we bring to the room? How do we use our voice, our pace, our tone, our body language, our position in the room itself to actually create engagement and interest? If I'm standing in front of a lectern talking in a monotone voice really slowly, not that engaging. So there you go. Those are my three tips for creating an engaging session. Think about how you shape your ideas, models, metaphors, stories. Think about how you structure your session. So for contribution, not just consumption. And think about how you share your message using your voice and your body language to create interest.